Okay, the tank 2 kg capacity. Okay, salt capacity. Okay, 1 kg salt plus 1 liter water also required in first time.
Okay.
Next time water is not required, it take automatically.
Mhm.
Okay, and when that salt is over, 1 kg salt is over, it show the indication also in display.
Okay.
Okay, that time again refill it, madam. This is the filter. Okay, now it is closed. Okay, just turn like this, it is open. Okay,
Okay.
weekly once compulsory cleaning is required.
Okay.
Just open like this with a mesh toothbrush, wash it again, proper fix it. Weekly once.
Okay.
Okay. And see, madam, here big vessels only. That pans, cookers, kadais in down only. That dark gray is foldable like this.
Okay.
Like this. Okay. And everything is ulta only, madam. Cookers and all.
Mhm.
Keep it like this.
Put down or some.
Okay. And here plates. Okay.
Okay.
Only dark gray only foldable.
This is not foldable. Okay.
And here small vessels. Okay. Here also small plates.
Lightweight.
Madam, correct. Lightweight. Okay.
Cups and all.
Otherwise fold it like this. Here small bowls or cups.
Okay.
Okay. Here also glasses. Here also plates. Only dark gray only foldable. Here spoons and knives, madam.
Okay.
Otherwise fold it like this.
Okay.
Okay. Here also glasses. Okay. And here are so many of spoons. That time use this cutlery in down only. Here only.
Okay.
Okay. And very important, after loading the vessels, just check the fan, madam, it rotate or not properly.
Okay.
That is very important. Okay. Both fans. Then only this will come.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And see, madam, here salt. Okay. Here liquid. Okay. See,
Liquid, that shiner one or?
shiner one, madam. Shiner one. Okay. After this level, fill the shiner one, madam, liquid.
Okay.
Okay. And salt and liquid, when it is over, it show the indication.
Okay.
Okay. But detergent only, each wash it is required.
Each
This is the
wash.
detergent compartment.
Okay.
In fully load, 25 gram detergent is required. In half load, 15 gram is enough.
Okay.
25, 15.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, use on tablet, madam. This is 3-in-1 tablets, all in one. Okay. See, salt, detergent, liquid, 3-in-1.
Oh.
Okay. Use on tablet. Separate liquid is not required, detergent also not required. But salt is required.
Salt we have to keep anyways.
Okay. See, 3-in-1. Salt, detergent, liquid. This tablet, keep it here like this with cover.
Okay.
Okay.
Close.
With cover.
Nice. Open. Close.
Okay.
Okay. And then close the door properly. This is the proper closing. Okay. First main power button on, madam. Okay. Then select your program. Okay. This 6 is main program. This is the additional program. This is the start and reset button. Okay. First program, intensive kadai only. Okay. In this intensive kadai, it takes 70-degree hot water by default.
Okay.
You cannot change the temperature.
It is for very dirty vessels.
Yes, oily vessels.
Oily.
Heavily oily vessels. Only for pans, cookers, kadais only. Within 1 hour 35 minutes, wash and dry both. Second one, express sparkle. Means normal oily vessels in mixed load. Okay, it takes 65-degree hot water, 59 minutes. Speed wash.
Okay.
Third one, auto program, madam. Better is daily auto only. Because in this auto program, depend upon the vessels, machine only decide the hot water.
Okay.
So auto is the recommended program. And in this auto mode, any kind of vessels, mixed load only. Okay. And next one, eco mode. Auto and eco both are same only, madam, but only different temperature. In this eco mode, it takes 50-degree default temperature.
Okay.
Okay. Next one, quick wash option. In this quick wash, only washing, no drying.
Okay.
Only wash for
Okay.
emergency time only. Okay. And last one, pre-rinse option, madam. Pre-rinse means if you want only water wash, sometimes vessels are too dried. That time pre-rinse is required, like soaking type only.
For like that crockery and all, just one time wash before the guests are coming, we can use that one.
Correct. Okay. So this 3 is optional, not compulsory.
What
Okay.
is that?
For example, madam, now I select auto mode.
Okay.
Okay. By default, it takes 1 hour 25 minutes.
Okay.
This is the default setting. Okay. In free time, additionally select variable option, time is increasing.
Okay.
Okay, but select variable option, it saves the energy and water, but slow washing.
Okay.
In night time only select this variable option. Okay,
Okay.
otherwise not compulsory.
The only reason for that mode is to save energy,
And water.
but it increases the time.
Timing, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Second one is offload option. Offload means only down drive only.
Okay.
Okay, select offloading option. That time down fan only running, madam. Down fan only.
Okay.
It save the water in offload option also.
Okay.
And last one, extra dry option. Normally in auto dry is there. If you want additionally dry also, select extra dry option.
Okay.
Okay. And this 3 light is indication, madam. This is the water indication. This is the salt indication, liquid indication, shiner. Inside the shiner. Still the salt is empty, that liquid is empty. That's what red lights is.
Okay.
And this 2 button delay start option. For example, madam, now I select auto mode and select my schedule type.
Okay.
Now I select 6 hour delay start. After 6 hours only it is automatically started.
Okay. At
Schedule the
06 means after 6 hours.
Correct.
Okay.
Hour 06. Okay. And minimum 1 hour, maximum 24 hour.
Okay.
Okay. And very important, child lock also there. Child lock. After switch on the start button, intensive kadai button, hold 5 seconds like this.
Okay.
It's showing CL indicator.
Okay.
Now everything is locked. See, cannot operate any buttons.
And how to remove it? Same thing.
Same.
Okay.
Okay. And see, madam, already it is started. Already now I select auto program start. It is already started, madam. If you want resetting the program, that time start button, hold 3 seconds. It's showing H00 indication. Now it is reset.
Okay.
In middle, if you want cancel the present program,
Okay.
that time start button, hold 3 seconds. See, reset 3 seconds. Okay. Simple, madam. Power on. Better select auto mode. Otherwise, eco.
Okay.
Start. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Half load also we can do, right?
Just 10 minutes only difference, madam. See,
ठीक.
by default 1 hour 25. Okay. 1 hour 50. 10 minutes only difference.
If
Timing
we,
same.
if we use the tablet, right, it will be whatever mode we select, one tablet is for one.
One wash only. Sir. One wash only. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I start the machine? Just 15 minutes.